What's up people, Ikari here with another unboxing. This time it's something a bit simpler. A mobile device holder by LISEN, or LISEN. Basically it allows you to attach your tablet or your phone, and yeah, it's supposed to be really powerful as we see here. You can adjust the angle and everything. It also has a fairly good ratings here, but let's see what kind of rating we give it. Here's the box, as you can see. Sounds like there's another small box flying around in there. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so the actual box is way smaller, and this is what the actual thing looks like. Wipes. Yeah, it's like when you buy a protective glass for your phone screen. It's basically the same. Then there are also some nice stickers. Yes, very cool. A card with a brief installation manual. Then there's this pad to attach it in your car, the sticky pad. And obviously the highlight itself, this LISEN, whatever we call it, holder. It actually has a nice weight to it. It's adjustable, you can spin it. You can spin it all the way around, 360-degree. Springs loaded holders here. A tiny holder here for your charging cable. And what is nice about it, it is not completely made out of plastic. Like this part is actually rubbery and feels pretty nice. Yes, and we can also tilt it 30-degree, like it said in the ad. So yeah, next let's go and see what the thing looks like in action. To the death mobile! Yes, this is what I call my car, for obvious reasons. So as you can see, the only problem is that in my car it's kinda hard to find a spot to attach it, because everything has curves. Yes, everything has curves, like a nice lady. Jokes aside, let's see if it's possible to attach it to a slightly not so even surface. Well, we got the wipes, so we might as well use them to prepare the surface. So it should be somewhere over here, I guess. This should be, yeah, just need to find a place where it's almost even. Basically we just take this thing here and attach it where we want it to be. Now we do the same with the actual base. Well, it appears to be holding quite well. Even if the surface is not 100% even, it seems to be definitely enough. And there we go. It's pretty easy to put it in there, although now I see I made a slight miscalculation and put it too close to the windshield, but the spring-loaded clamps hold it fairly well, so it's not a problem. So what's up people, let's play some Genshin Impact. Well, I probably should put it like this. The only negative thing is that, as you can see, those holding clamps, they actually dig into the screen a little bit, so this is also why I would probably give it 4-star instead of 5. It does everything else perfectly, it looks pretty nice. Even on a not so even surface, it is possible to attach it, and it stands there quite firm. And this is what it looks like if we use it, yes. Does funny clicking sounds. It's a fairly decent product, I don't see any downsides, so if you want one too, check the links in the description below and have a fun time gaming. Or, driving. And this is exactly what I'm going to do now.